Back. So today I'm going to show you how to find hidden apps on Android. So what you're going to do is on Android, just go to your settings, click on your settings. Now this is my Infinix, so it's possible it works for only Infinix, but if you're using another phone, just go and search for your home screen. But for any Infinix, what you're going to do is go down here and come here and click on display and brightness. Click on display and brightness, and you scroll down here, you scroll down and click on desktop settings. Now you're going to scroll down and you're going to see your hidden apps. Now click on hidden apps and all your apps is going to pop out. So I don't have any apps here that is hidden, so I'm going to start, which I'm not going to start. So if you don't want to see, if you want to see your you want to unhide your recent apps, you're going to see it here, but there's not any app that is hide on my phone. That is why it is empty. So guys, if you're not using your Infinix, you can just search for your phone and search for your home screen. When you search for your home screen, just scroll down, and you're going to find hidden apps under your home screen, and that's how you find your apps that is hidden and you can unhide them. But now on my Infinix, and it is possible that all the Infinix have these features. Just go to your desktop settings and go find your hidden apps. If you have any apps that is hiding, you're going to see them here. But now I do not have any apps that is hiding, so I do not see anything here, and also I can also unhide them. So that's how you can do everything here. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe and like.